Windows Installer Error 1618 is one of the most common MSI installation failures in Windows. The error message says, "Another installation is already in progress. Complete that installation before proceeding." This happens when Windows detects that another MSI-based installation process is already running. In this video, we will understand the root causes, troubleshoot the issue, fix the error, and learn prevention methods for both home users and enterprise environments. Windows Installer, also called MSI service, manages software installation, modification, repair, and removal operations. Whenever you install applications using an MSI package, Windows Installer coordinates the installation process. Windows allows only one MSI installation transaction at a time. If another installation is active, Windows blocks new installations and generates error 1618. There are several reasons why error 1618 appears. A previous software installation may still be running in the background. Windows Update may be installing components. An MSI installation process may become stuck. Pending restart conditions can also prevent new installations. Understanding these causes helps identify the correct solution. Let us understand a real-time scenario. A user tries installing a new application. The setup starts, but suddenly fails with error 1618. The user checks Task Manager and finds another installation process running. Because Windows Installer is busy, the second installation cannot continue. Before applying fixes, first confirm whether another installation is genuinely running. Open Task Manager and review active processes. Look for MSIEXEC REXE setup REXE installer processes. If the installation is still progressing, allow it to complete. The safest solution is to wait for the existing installation to complete. Many installations run silently in the background without showing visible windows. Check CPU, disk activity, and installation progress before taking action. If Windows Installer is frozen, the MSIEXEC process may need to be stopped. Open Command Prompt as administrator run task kill fim MSIEXEC ITXE. This forces termination of the stuck Windows Installer process. After stopping it, retry the installation. Sometimes the Windows Installer service becomes unresponsive. Open Services console. Locate Windows Installer, restart the service, and test the installation again. A pending reboot is another common reason for error 1618. Restarting the system clears temporary installation states and allows Windows Installer to start fresh. After applying the fixes, test the installation again, confirm that the application installs successfully. Check installation logs if the problem continues. In enterprise environments, Windows Installer error when 1618 is commonly seen during application deployments using tools like SCCM or MECM. When multiple applications are deployed to the same device at the same time, Windows Installer may allow one MSI installation while blocking another. This creates deployment failures and requires proper investigation. When error 1618 occurs in SCCM or MECM, start by checking deployment status. Review whether the application is installing, waiting, failed, or stuck in progress. Deployment monitoring helps identify which application is holding the Windows Installer service. MSI logs provide detailed information about installation failures. When troubleshooting error 1618, review MSI logs for messages like "Another installation is already in progress." Look for timestamps, return codes, and failed installation actions. Logs help determine whether the issue is temporary or requires deeper investigation. Windows Event Viewer can provide additional information about installation failures. Review application logs, system logs, Windows Installer events. These events can reveal conflicts, service failures, or pending operations. In enterprise environments, application sequencing is important. Avoid deploying multiple MSI applications simultaneously. Use deployment scheduling, dependencies, and detection rules properly. A well-designed deployment strategy reduces MSI conflicts and improves application success rates. Maintaining Windows Installer health reduces installation failures. Avoid forcefully shutting down systems during software installation. Allow installations to complete properly. Keep Windows components updated and monitor repeated installation failures. Installing multiple applications together can increase the chance of conflicts. Install software in a control sequence for enterprise devices. Validate applications before large-scale deployment. Proper software management improves user experience and reduces support tickets. Regular monitoring helps identify installation problems before they become major issues. Review system performance, disk space, Windows services, event logs, early detection prevents repeated error 1618 incidents. Before closing the ticket, follow this troubleshooting checklist. Confirm no active installation exists, restart Windows installer service, restart the device if required. Review logs for advanced issues, document the solution for future reference. Preventing Windows installer error 1618 is easier than fixing repeated failures. Avoid running multiple MSI installations at the same time. Keep Windows updated, restart systems after major installations. In enterprise environments, test applications before production deployment, monitor installation logs, and maintain proper deployment processes. A proactive approach improves application reliability and reduces troubleshooting effort.